There is absolutely no way dude is getting this thing on there. You can see it on their face. They're just like... I know I should probably just go and tell them, hey, this isn't gonna work, but... Oh. A drill? He's like legit. Dude, see? Dude doesn't believe it either. It's pretty amazing, honestly. Alright, I don't know about y'all, but I'm like waiting to see this thing. Straps. Okay, this is what I'm... There's no way. See? They're like, that is not gonna work. Clearly, dude. That is a... How big is that TV? 65-inch TV carrying on a motorcycle. I'm just gonna go help. Because this is ridiculous, honestly. Dude, do you need any help?
What?
You need any help?
Sorry.
Do you need any help?
No, I'm good, man.
Honestly, I was amazed watching you, dude. Do you care if I video you doing it? Like
you're videoing?
Yeah, you care? Or?
Nah, it's good, man. It's good. Yeah.
Okay.
You mind helping me?
Dude, of course. Yeah. This is... I'll do whatever.
What's your name, man?
Charles.
Charles, you mind holding that for me?
Holding this
strap right there?
Yeah, I'll hold it. I'll get... You want it in the middle, right?
Yes, sir.
I really don't think this is gonna work, but whatever.
Hey, you gonna put that on there? Yeah, we're gonna try. What power to you, buddy? Good luck. Let's just get it right behind it.
Yeah. I think you're... Here, let me set my phone down. I'll help you.
Yeah, you're taller than I am. Can you get it? Almost there.
You got it?
Yep.
Okay.
So right there.
And then you want me to do this?
So strap it around it. Yeah. Good.
Good?
Yep. I'll tie it up.
All right. Well, I mean...
Do you mind coming here and doing one last thing?
Yeah, of course.
Can you put that stuff in the bag?
Oh, yeah.
If I get my butt up, then it pulls over.
Yeah, no, I got you. I mean, you really came prepared.
Yeah, there we go.
There you go. All right, best of luck, dude.
Thanks, man.
All right. He actually did it, folks. I don't know if this is gonna work, but you can't knock a guy for trying. That thing isn't wiggling. There is no way. There is no way. See ya! Oh my god! He actually did it! It actually worked! Oh.